Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jamaica Soul Food Cooking. This morning we're gonna make cornmeal porridge with coconut, dry bone coconut, the real authentic cornmeal, Jamaican cornmeal porridge. And first we have our tin milk, buckle of vanilla, cinnamon powder, and nutmeg, and some mixed spice and salt. So now I'm going to break the coconut off camera, and when I'm breaking it I will come back to show you. We're going to blend it up and then we're going to put the pot on the fire. Okay, see you in a minute. Hi everyone, we are back now. So we have went ahead and blend up the coconut now. So we're gonna just throw it in and strain it out in the pot. First you gotta put it in the pot and let it cook a little. And then we're gonna season up the pot. After we finish straining the coconut out, we're gonna season up the pot, okay? We have to season it up and then we're gonna leave it to cook for about 15 minutes. Then we're gonna put the cornmeal in it. Okay. Okay, now family, put that aside, and I'm gonna wash my hand and come to you. So now, just cleaning up the area a little. So now, first we're gonna put about a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Okay, then we're gonna put a teaspoon of nutmeg, sorry. Then we're gonna put some mixed spice, about half a teaspoon of mixed spice. That will be enough. Then we're gonna go in. We're going with a pinch of salt. Then we're gonna put vanilla in it now. About a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. Then we're gonna stir that up. Leave it to cook for a little. Okay, about 15 minutes time, we're gonna come back and put the cornmeal inside of it. Okay, we're gonna cover it down now and leave it to simmer down for 15 minutes. Cook a little and then we're gonna put the cornmeal in it. Okay, see you in a few minutes. Now family, we are back. I'm just gonna put 2 cups of cornmeal in the bowl, sorry. And then we're gonna add some water and mix it up. About 2 cups. Okay. Then we're gonna put some water in a bowl. Mix it up nicely. See the coconut cooking away nicely there. Okay, we're gonna mix it up nicely. Stir it up. Okay, make it have any lump when you put it in the pot. So mix it up first before we put it in the pot. So in this process now, we're going to put the cornmeal in. Put the cornmeal in the pot, and we're going to stir it. As soon as you put it in the pot, you make sure you stir it up. In this process now, we turn the fire up a little so that it can cook. In the meantime, we're going to put a little water in the bowl so that we can put it in the pot, you know, to keep it from lumping up. So in the meantime, you have to keep mixing it, that you don't have any lump. Okay, keep mixing. No lump not supposed to be in it. You can put a little warm water in it in this process. You can boil up a little hot water and put in it to keep it from lumping up in this process. Okay, so you keep stirring it, There's no lump not is in it. But you know, sometimes cornmeal porridge get lumpy, so you have to keep mixing it, stir it up, as you don't have any lump inside of it. Okay, I'll be coming back in a few minutes to show you the finishing product and how we're going to sweeten it. Okay, now family, it's cooking away nicely and no lump. Okay, so you have to keep stirring it, as it doesn't get any lump. In this process, you can add a little bit more nutmeg in it. Okay, probably about a teaspoon more nutmeg to give it that extra flavor, you know, give it that spicy taste, the traditional taste you're looking for. So the coconut milk have to cook a little bit, so we're gonna leave it to cook for another 15 minutes, and then I'm coming back to show you the finishing product. Okay, family, we're back and the porridge is almost cooking now. So at this process, you're going to stir it up a little. And then now, we're going to turn the fire off now, because we're going to sweeten it now. This is the sweetening process. So, we're going to pull our milk. And then we're going to go in now, put a little milk in it. That's it. Then we're going to sweeten it up now. Some condensed milk. Remember, you have to use condensed milk to sweeten it. Okay. Okay. In this process now, you can taste it to see if it needs anything else. So you can give it a little bit more milk. Sweeten it to your lightness. Okay? Sweeten it to your taste. And then you're going to taste. See if you need anything else. At this point now, you can put a little bit of sugar in it. Some granulated sugar if you have. So I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, because the milk is sweet already. Just to give it that extra taste. So we're going to mix that around. Then we're going to taste it. Wow, it smells so nice, tastes so nice, and smelling really, really nice. Wow, the coconut smells so lovely. It smells the whole kitchen up. All the spices, the cinnamon, and all of that spices coming out, bursting out with all the flavors. Tastes really nice. Oh my, you must try this at home. It's the real authentic Jamaican cornmeal porridge with coconut. So now, I'm just going to dish up a bowl and let you see how it looks. Nicely. Wow, because it come out really smooth. That's how you want it to look. Smooth and nice, no lump. Don't want to see any lump in it. You want to see it come out nice and smooth. Okay? So now, over here, just gonna clean up the area just a bit. So now, here we have it. Jamaica cornmeal porridge. Real authentic Jamaica cornmeal porridge. That's what we want. And you can have it with crackers, cream crackers, or you can have it with hard-dough bread, anything of your delight, sliced bread, anything. But you know, that's how we normally have it in Jamaica, with cream crackers. That's how our parents used to give us cornmeal porridge with cream crackers. So okay, you can give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and you can try it at home for breakfast. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it for dinner. Some people have it for dinner. We used to have it for dinner back home. Sometimes you can have it for dinner, you can have it for lunch. So like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.